So you've used ChatGPT to sniff out deductions, charm the IRS with your savvy credits, and maybe even harvested a tax loss or two like a digital financial farmer. But what if I told you your AI sidekick has even more tricks up its sleeve? Yep, today we're squeezing even more juice from that techie tax lemon. Let's start with the sneaky expenses people forget to claim. You know the ones, those random subscriptions for software you actually use for work, your Wi-Fi bill when you're working from your couch HQ, or that mile-long Uber ride to a client meeting. Toss them at ChatGPT, and it'll help you figure out which expenses deserve a place on your tax return, like honored guests at a spreadsheet party. But it doesn't stop there. Ever think about how timing plays a role in your taxes? ChatGPT can help you game plan the when, not just the what. Should you prepay expenses before the year ends? Should you delay a bonus to avoid getting shoved into a higher tax bracket? This kind of calendar kung fu could mean the difference between a small refund and a surprise donation to Uncle Sam. And if you're self-employed or part of the ever-growing gig economy, ChatGPT practically turns into your digital business buddy. It can help you sort out quarterly estimated taxes, nudge you to set aside for SE tax, and even suggest which business structure might be more tax-friendly. Because choosing between LLC, S-Corp, and sole prop shouldn't feel like taking a pop quiz in a language you don't speak. Now for the plot twist, lifestyle choices that double as tax strategies. Thinking of going green with solar panels? ChatGPT can break down energy tax credits. Want to go back to school? There's a deduction for that. Have a home office that's more than just a laptop balancing on a pile of laundry? Yep, there's a calculation for that too. The AI can help you separate tax fact from myth, so you're not just relying on rumors from your cousin who totally read something online once. And if you're into investing or just trying to be, ChatGPT can help you explore the tax angles of asset location. Not allocation, location. Like, should that juicy REIT go in a taxable account or a Roth IRA? ChatGPT can walk you through the pros and cons like a patient robot mentor with a calculator for a heart. For the spreadsheet averse, here's the fun part. ChatGPT doesn't judge. It won't raise an eyebrow when you ask, "Wait, what's a wash sale?" Or, "Do I really have to report that Venmo side hustle?" Just toss your questions in, and it'll untangle the jargon like a tax-savvy yarn cat. And don't underestimate the power of audit-proofing your return. ChatGPT can help you draft notes, log expenses, and organize receipts like a digital detective, keeping you 3 steps ahead. Think of it as creating a paper trail with a flair for drama and detail. Bottom line, taxes don't have to be a maze of dread and confusion. With ChatGPT in your corner, it's more like a bizarre, slightly nerdy scavenger hunt, with money at the end. The more you feed it questions, the more it feeds you clarity. Kind of like a polite financial oracle that runs on data instead of incense. So go ahead, get curious. Ask the dumb questions. Challenge it with weird scenarios. Let ChatGPT show you just how fun, okay, tolerable, tax season can be when you've got an AI whispering tax wisdom into your ear. And if this opened up a new pocket dimension in your brain, smash that subscribe button like it owes you a refund. Drop a comment if you've discovered a bizarre deduction or a tax tip ChatGPT helped you unlock. Until next time, keep your money smart and your April emotions under control. The robots are here to help, and this time they're wearing tax glasses.